Hey everyone, I thought today I would give you a little house tour of the second year student house I share with 6 other people. So I guess let's get into it. Okay, so as you come in the door, we have a bedroom here, the staircase up here. Into here we have one of the bathrooms with a shower, and in here we have our little kitchen, which then we've got the fridges and freezers here. We then move on into like the living space, so we've got like sofa, dining room table, we've got a washing machine and a dryer, there's a little mirror up there. Out here we have a little courtyard area, quite small but quite nice in the summer. Okay, so heading up the stairs, up on this floor we have 3 bedrooms, so that's one of them. We have a little cupboard, we have a little hallway, we have 2 bedrooms down here and a bathroom at the end of the corridor, and then we go up to the 3rd floor, and there's 2 rooms up here, one there, and then this one is mine. This is my room. So I have my bed, I have television, I have a little shelf that I put a couple bits on, my mirror and where I get ready. I have a little bedside table that I brought up with me, a chest of drawers that came with the place, laundry basket, rug. That little door in there is like storage and stuff like that, so we put all the bits in the house that we don't know where to put in there. And then I just have my desk area here with my weekly planner, and then in here is the wardrobe. And then because I'm up in like the roof bit, I have like these sloping windows. But yeah, that's kind of my room. So I guess that's a little overview of my second year uni house. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and yeah, see you later.